In this video tutorial we will find out how to purchase a great value family travel card from Chiltern Railways. First, go to chilternrailways.co.uk and move your cursor over to the journey planner. Enter the station you are travelling from. In this instance we'll use Birmingham Moor Street as the origin station. Your destination station is always London Marylebone, as it includes unlimited travel on the tube and bus. Choose the date and time you wish to travel. Please be aware that you can only select trains departing after 10 AM. and select the return journey on the same day. The tickets will be valid for a train at a specific time, so be careful which time you select. Leave plenty of time to get the return journey. Select the number of adults and children travelling. Please note you must select a minimum of 1 adult and 1 child. We will select 2 adults and 2 children for this example. Press Done, then press Search and Buy. You will be taken to the purchase page. Scroll down the page until you reach the Return Fares section. Select the time you would like to travel to the destination and the time you would like to make the return journey. The train times are located here on the page. If you need more information about the restrictions of the ticket you are purchasing, click Details located here. Here you will find the valid route you can travel on with your ticket and any restrictions it might have. Move your cursor to the bottom right of the screen and click Continue. The only way to collect them is at a ticket vending machine at one of our stations. Family travel cards are not yet available to put on smart cards. Your journey summary will appear on screen. Make sure all the details are correct before you proceed to payment. Scroll down the page and enter your payment details. Once completed, move your cursor to the bottom right of the screen and press Pay Now. You've just successfully purchased your family travel card to London Marylebone. Now all you need to do is plan your fun day out to London with your family.